The Favorites list will show your favorite contacts. To add a contact to a favorite, they must either be an internal contact, an Outlook contact if you have Outlook integrated with your softphone, or you would need to have already added them as a contact. Please see the Add Contact training segment for instructions. To add a favorite, search for the contact using the search bar. Click on the expand icon on the contact and select the Set this contact state icon. Select the Favorite icon. You will then see the contact in your favorites. To remove a contact from your favorites, click on the expand arrow. Then select the Set this contact state icon and click on the Contact option. And to confirm removing them from favorites, select Yes on the pop-up screen. For more information about contacts, please see the Add Contact and Search Bar training segments.